Now that the fuselage has been repaired, we test fit the wings at the new attach points. See how they fit. On Saturday I was towing gliders with a Pawnee. Here's a little clip from the cockpit. I'm taxiing up to the glider. Here I'm telling the wing walker that I'm acknowledging it's a pattern tow to 1,000 feet. Here I have a moment to run through the takeoff checks while I wait for the glider to be hooked to the tow rope and the glider pilot to go through his takeoff checks. Okay, now it's time to take up the rest of the slack in the tow rope, close the door, and give the tail a waggle. Make a radio call, check in the mirror one last time to make sure the glider's air brakes aren't deployed. And away we go. Here I'll feel a little bump when the glider disengages, and he'll climb and turn to the right, and I'll descend and bank to the left. As I'm turning back toward the field, I'm looking for my glider, and I get him in sight here in a second, and then I descend for the field. I'm making a right pattern for runway 35 right, and the glider is making a left pattern for runway 35 left. And you'll see I land before the glider this time. If we converge and are landing at the same time, I will hold, but this time I'm far enough ahead of him, so as I back taxi you'll see the glider land. Thanks for watching, guys. In the next video we're going to go over building the boot cowl and STCs. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, and follow me as I rebuild this Super Cub.